In a move being construed as further relaxation by the White House, the Trump administration has revised its fact sheet on the newly announced trade deal with India. An earlier reference to pulses as one of the products identified for imports into India, an important commodity in India's agricultural import basket, has been dropped. The modified fact sheet also downgrades language from committed to intends for the $500 billion of purchases by India. The changes come amid heightened scrutiny of the interim trade framework, which aims to deepen economic ties and reduce tariffs between the two nations. Karishma, clearly we're seeing a lot of progress on the trade deal and a clear commitment coming in from the US.
Well, Abha, clearly, like you also mentioned, they've smoothened the language. The tone of the fact sheet now has been revised, and that's come in just, say, in about a period of 3 days. On Saturday, we were given the first fact sheet at midnight of Saturday around Sunday, and now this is the second fact sheet. Now, let's look at the first element, which talks about certain pulses. To give some data and numbers, India actually imports the least from US in the top 3. It, in fact, imports more pulses from Canada and Australia at a value of about close to $500 million. Totally, we import about close to, say, $56 billion at an average. Now, second most important is this stance shifting from commitment to that of intent. Again, I think that it comes in the background scrutiny of how there was some criticism on the fact that the US has been stringent and tough with India on the whole Russian oil element. And I think that is why the terminology is now being smoothened to give it a more fair, balanced and a cooperative tone of mechanism.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.